One of my favorite projects of all time was the mushroom forest that we made. So much so that I had a picture made of it. It's really, really cool. Well, time is not kind. It turns out it's a great idea, but have you ever tried to dust this stuff? It is impossible. So it's drying out, falling apart, everything else. So I came up with an idea. We need to relocate the mushrooms. They need a new forest. Well, I don't want to have to dust that forest, so I came up with an idea. We did this as a project a while back, and it's just been kind of sitting on the shelf gathering dust, but it's easy to dust. So I'm going to relocate all the mushrooms over to here. So I guess the first step is we have to remove the forest. This will take a little bit of time. Well, you can tell I'm definitely not a carpenter, but let's see if I can get this thing to start coming apart. Oh, what? Must be a screw in there. There's a screw in there. Okay, cool. I think I'm remembering how this went, but we'll up. Yeah, well, that'll be a modification for sure right there. Okay. Yay! Ta-da! We're done. No, not really. Brian and I spent some time off camera setting things out roughly where we want it. Then we made little pencil marks all over the place, and I'm just trying to keep these where we thought things are going to go. So I'm going to try to drill a hole for this little guy first, and then we'll just start working our way around with that. See how it goes. Of course, I made all the tendons different sizes. That's me. Okay, see, we got our first one in here. There it goes. Cool. Okay, we'll just keep going from here. Now that we have all the holes drilled, we're going to glue them into place. And there we go. We have managed to relocate the mushrooms. I like this a lot better, and I think it's going to last a whole lot longer.